Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Excuse my froggy voice, I caught my granddaughter's cold. Yay! I made this little box in my last video, and I promised that I would show you how I make a belly band. So this is the leftover paper. This is that UV coated paper from Close to My Heart. So there were two pieces left over, 12 by 3 inches and 9 by 3 inches. So the 12 by 3 inches I am going to use to make the belly band, and I just wrap it right around. You don't want to get too crazy tight with it. I just use my fingers to pinch it a little bit. And you don't want it to be super snug because it will bind up and it won't come off of your project. I'm going to take a little bit of glue and I'm going to glue those pieces together, those ends. That should be fine. And hold it in place just so that that paper can grab. And that slides nicely. The next thing I did was I took my ink blending brush and some raspberry ink because I wanted this next little piece to be a little bit different. So you can see there's a difference in the color. So all I did was brush some of the raspberry on there, and that was the end of that. This piece I have cut to 3 by 4. And then I went into my Daisy stash, and this is, I believe, 2.5 by 3.5. And then I created this little guy here, and I'll show you what I used. For the number, I used the number balloons. Those are so cute. I've been wanting to play with those. The Cosette card making had this, I think it's an oval, a little oval shape, so I cut one of those out, and this is, I think, ballerina. Then this little adorable Turtly Awesome set, I pulled out that little happy birthday. I've got everything all stamped and ready to go. I used white daisy cardstock for my one, and we need to put a little glue on here. You could use tape runner, whatever floats your boat. And I'm going to eyeball center. And I'll put a little glue in the middle of this. It's going to hang above and below just a smidge, no biggie. And then I used a little 3D foam tape. These are some little bits and pieces left over from the inside of a star shaker. And I'm going to eyeball that on there. And we're going to get that put right on. I'm not going out to the edges. I'm just concentrating my glue in the middle. And it's going to go just like that. That's a really simple, cute belly band. It slips off. And you can stick a really dimensional card in there, or you can stick, I'm going to stick a savings bond in there. That's it. That's all there is to it. Super simple, using up the leftover pieces that we had from making the box, so nothing goes to waste. In fact, this is all that's left. And you can see what a difference doing a little ink blending on this piece makes. It really shows up nicely. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.